In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Dev C++. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Dev C++. While Dev C++ doesn't have a built-in dark mode, you can manually create a dark theme by adjusting a few settings. Let's get started. First is to open Dev C++ settings, launch Dev C++. Go to the Tools menu in the top bar. Click on Editor Options. Under the Editor Options, change theme colors. Navigate to the Colors tab, and under Select Theme, choose a dark theme like Obsidian or Oben for a dark-like appearance. You can preview the theme changes on the right side of the screen. Third is to customize colors for better visibility. Set the foreground color to light color, for example white, for better text visibility, and then set the background color to a dark shade, for example a black or a dark gray. It'll depend on you. Experiment with different color combinations until you find one that works best for you. Step 4 is to apply the dark theme. Once you are satisfied with the colors, click OK to apply the changes, and your Dev C++ will now have a custom dark mode appearance. You can experiment and change different colors until you're satisfied. And that's how to enable dark mode on Dev C++. I really hope this helped. Thank you for watching.